Welcome to another Challengers video. Today, this video is another video about the KV4P-HT kit. We have many users in Discord and they write to us about their stuck PTT issues. They said as soon as they press the PTT down, or no matter it's a physical button or on their Android device, their app or the device just got stuck. Even releasing the button doesn't help. Have you experiencing the same? Today we are looking at how we are going to solve them. Let's go. The problem, let's talk about the where it caused the problem first. In many cases, this is often caused by the RF interference. The RF interference is generated from the common mode current because the antenna is a vertical and they do need a good ground, but we do not have a very good ground. When we press the PTT down, there will be current coming down from the cable to the device or to the app. Either way, it will cause the app crashes or the device crashes. And this is why there's the PTT stuck-in problem. And the solution to prevent this from happening, one of the many method will be adding something in the middle of the USB data cable to prevent it from going into the device or into the Android. So we have two solutions to solve this. One will be a cable with a ferrite beads featured in the USB data cable, and it will prevent the current mode current to go through the device or the Android. And this one is 50 centimeter long. And if you are looking at getting a new data cable to connect your KV4P together with the phone, this one will be a choice. And for our current kit, we also upgrade the kit. If you buy a new kit from us, you will already receive the USB data cable with the ferrite beads built in. Another, if you don't want to have if you have an existing solution and you just want to keep using it, you can also use some snap-on ferrite beads. The model number is JChoke 9 snap-on SN. How it use? We open it and we put a normal data cable to put it inside one loop. Okay, let's do it this way. One, and loop it around and go another loop here, and you just need to collapse it. Okay, I will make sure. And you collapse in it and make it tight a little bit, and that's it. And this will prevent the common mode current as well. And it's not just for your KV4P radio. The JChoke 9SN works great on other cables too. HDMI cable, DC barrel jacks, Ethernet, and more. As long as you can put the cable inside the snap-on beads, you're good to go. Okay, this is about today's video. If you are experiencing the lock-on, the PTT stuck-in problem, you can try either this solution or this solution. They are both available on our website. And we also have other accessories available for the KV4P. For instance, you can have this little carry bag to carry your KV4P and put everything inside it, and you can very easily carry them out. And also we have this this adapter. So instead of getting a USB cable, you can also get this for easier installation. They are all available on our website. Go check it out.